to the channel. Today is a video I am really excited about doing. Now this has been planned for sort of like 2.5, 3 weeks. So it's been on the agenda and today is finally the day. So through my travels, through the past 10 years of traveling all around the world, I have got to say one of my favourite countries was India. Now we were really fortunate when we went to India because it was actually the Holi festival when we were there. If you don't know what the Holi festival is, it's literally where, it's a festival of colours. So it's where you see these videos of people throwing paint on each other and having the best time. So we were actually there when it was Holi festival. We had no idea, but it was just coincidental that we were there. And there was 3 weeks that we were in India. We happened to be there when Holi festival was on, which was amazing. Now, one of my favourite things about India was definitely the food. The food in India is absolutely amazing. And today, guys, I'm going to be learning to cook real Indian food from a real Indian chef. Okay, guys, and I'm so excited about this. I can't cook. If you have seen any of the previous videos, the cook that can't cook, that kind of failed, so I kind of stopped them. But I am going to be cooking today with a real Indian chef. Now she's really well known. She's called Poonam, and she's going to be teaching me how to cook. She's going to tell me because I don't even know what we're cooking today. But she's going to cook these meals with me, and we're going to have some friends over later on to try the food out and see how well I have done with the meal. Without any further ado, guys, please welcome Poonam. Right, okay, so guys, here we are with Poonam. Oh, one sec. Ah, there you are.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
You ready to show me how to cook some food?
Yes, I am all ready to show you.
Okay.
So what we are making today is Palak Paneer.
Okay.
Then we'll make Jeera rice.
Nice.
Then we will do a chaat item with chickpeas.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's it.
Is it going to be difficult?
Not difficult at all. It's very easy peasy.
Okay, so basically the guys watching here, they can cook this at home?
Of course, they can cook that easily.
Okay, so guys, here we are. If I can cook this, which I'm about to do today, then you can cook it. So make sure you watch all the way through, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Yep, subscribe because, oh, and another one, we'll do dal tadka, the traditional dal tadka of north of India.
Ooh, even better. Right, okay, so guys, we are going to get into the cooking part, so you're going to prepare the food now?
Yep.
Alright, then we'll come back here and get things going again.
Sure.
Cue the music. Okay, so we've got the paneer ready.
Yes.
And this is going to be cooked afterwards.
Yes.
Like an art attack sort of moment. We're going to go, here's one we prepared earlier.
It will be cooked. Put the paneer will go obviously later on.
Okay.
So
do you want to tell us what's here?
Okay, so what we have is that since it's palak means spinach. So we have the spinach here. So that's the paneer. Ginger and garlic, which we will make a paste later.
Okay.
Then fenugreek leaves, which we are going to put into the gravy. Then we have cinnamon. Then we have cumin seeds, star anise. Then we have all-in-one spice from Poonam Spice Kitchen, butter and cream.
So this is your...
Yes.
This is your...
My product.
Your product.
Yeah, my product.
We've got the inside here. Poonam Spice Kitchen.
Yes.
Right
secret
here.
Product. So yeah, all these things, and after we are done with the paste, and we can start cooking.
Cool. Great. And that's the paste.
That's the paste.
It smells, can I taste it? Or it'll be horrible?
It's nothing tasty though. You can go ahead and taste. Yeah, another 5 minutes. This will be done.
Okay, so that's the spinach done.
That's spinach done. Now we will make a paste out of it.
Okay, so what we're doing now then?
Now we are just preparing the gravy.
Okay. So what's this thing? It looks like halloumi.
It's paneer.
So it's a type of cheese.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese. Mm.
You want to try?
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
Is that gonna like?
It's your. You cannot. Like, it's not gonna.
Doesn't it taste like much?
Yeah, it has got not much taste after it's like, but yeah. Anyways, I'll just. What we'll do is that we'll just fry these.
Yeah. So the taste comes obviously with the gravy.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this good for like vegans?
Yeah.
This is a vegan dish.
Vegan dish.
There you go. I'm not a vegan myself. I'm a fan of chicken.
Me neither.
But
Cannot live without chicken or fish.
yeah. Well, I guess vegans would disagree with that one. Hey, I'm probably going to get about 20 thumbs down on this video now, but oh. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, don't go thumbs down. We're making a vegan dish.
So
vegan friendly kitchen.
Some oil.
Okay, okay. So in Malaysia, you're not allowed to drink the tap water unless it's through a filter. She's just put some in there and she said it's going to boil, but if I end up with like that illness.
No, it's not my fault.
Right, let me have a taste then. Let's see. Just get a spoon. Let's get a curry sauce or gravy. It's going to be really hot, isn't it? That's good. And the cream.
Okay, before we put the cream, we'll put some fenugreek leaves.
Okay.
Okay, what do you have for rice? Like, do you have a pan?
Yeah. That's what I normally cook rice in.
What? Oh my god, that's... Guys, this is where he's going to cook rice for 4 packs. No.
Okay, so we need a bigger one.
Bigger one, okay.
Where's the one that we had before?
The before one we will use.
So this is the dal.
Dal.
Okay.
So
we've got the oil in.
Oil in there. Then we need red chilies, dry red chilies.
Can I try one? Is this going to be stupid?
You want to eat that?
Is it going to be stupid of me to try this?
If you're not used to spicy. Get ready with a cup of milk.
Is this like mega hot?
It's hot, still hot. It's because it has got the seeds inside. So you can try.
Why did you let me do that?
You said you want to try.
Yeah, but why would you let me try? You just said, Ollie, that's a stupid idea.
Okay. Next, what we are using is 5 seeds.
Okay.
And then just let it cook.
Right, okay, so we've got the food here. We've, I cooked it. Well, can I tell people that I cooked it?
Not really. It's okay, you helped me a bit. I give you some credit.
I checked it, yeah.
Yeah, like final check was done by you.
I checked the chilies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I give you the credit.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about where each dish is from?
Okay, so dal tadka is from north of India. Then this Cheakpeas Chaat is from Mumbai street food. And Palak Paneer north of India. Jeera rice north of India.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to try some later on.
Yes.
You'll see the video and you'll know what people think. I'll tell people that I cooked it to start with, and I'll say to people at the end, I'll say, actually I didn't cook it.
Okay.
Because then if it's not very good, then I can say, well actually, it wasn't me. I'm joking. I have no doubt whatsoever that this is going to go down amazing because I've tried it all myself and it tastes amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And we'll definitely do this again. Everyone, if you want to see more of this, please subscribe to the channel, comment below saying you've enjoyed this one, and give it a big thumbs up as well. Okay? Thank you so much. Oh, okay. There we go. For hugs. Thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Yes, looking forward. Awesome. Thank you.